Lesson 9 is the final lesson for Chapter 10. In this lesson, we're going to be discussing the costs of renting and owning a home and determining which one would be a better value. In our determinations, we're going to be looking at the average monthly cost, which is found by taking the total annual cost divided by the number of months. In example 1, Mike Cheng plans to rent an apartment for $650 a month. The security deposit is 1 month's rent. He estimates that annual expenses will be shown below. What is his average monthly cost? Our first step is going to be to find the total yearly cost. Okay. So to find the total yearly cost, we're going to add up all of our annual costs. First, we have to find our rent, which is $650 times 12, which comes out to $7,800. Now, we can add our yearly cost. We're going to add all of these up, which will give us a yearly cost of $12,561. The second thing we're going to do is find the average monthly cost. Which is found by taking our total annual cost and dividing by the number of months. So our total annual cost is $12,561, and we're going to divide it by 12 months, which equals $1,046.75. In example 2, Margaret Fairchild currently rents a home and has the expenses shown below. She is considering buying a similar house with a $21,000 down payment. She estimates her housing and rental expenses as shown below. Is it less expensive for Margaret to buy or rent a home, and what is the difference? On the left, we have our annual rental expenses. So our rent is $875 a month times 12 months, which gives us a rental cost of $10,500. She will lose $45 in interest, pay $380 for renter's insurance, $720 in electricity, $1,800 in gas, $40 a month for 12 months for her telephone, which gives us a cost of $480. Her cell phone will cost $44 a month, which gives us a total of $528. And cable TV is going to cost $60 a month for 12 months. We're going to add all of these costs up, which gives us a total annual cost for renting of $15,173. On the left, we have the annual homeowner's expenses. She's going to have a mortgage payment of $550 a month times 12 months, which gives us $6,600. She's going to pay $2,200 in property taxes, $975 for homeowner's insurance, $1,012 for electricity, $2,140 for heating and gas. Her satellite TV will cost her $53 a month for 12 months, which is a total of $636. And her cell phone, again, costs $44 a month times 12 months, which equals $528. She'll pay approximately $1,200 in maintenance, and she will lose $570 in interest. However, she will save $725 for tax savings. As we're adding up all of the homeowner's expenses, we have to do something different with the tax savings. Notice that it is in parentheses. This means that we're going to subtract it because it does not add to her debt. This gives us a total homeowner's expense cost of $15,136. So, when we're looking for which one is more expensive or less expensive and the difference, the first thing we need to do is find the annual cost of renting. We've already done that, which is a total of $15,173. We also need to find the annual homeownership cost. Which is a total of $15,136. Third step is to compare and find the difference. Since we want to know which it is less expensive to buy or rent, renting is $15,173. Buying is $15,136. So it is cheaper for her to buy. We're going to find out how much by subtracting $15,173 minus $15,136. This is going to give us a difference of $37. So it will cost $37 less per year for Margaret to own her home.